Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're moving gently with seated yoga poses that help our bodies feel calm and happy. If you like yoga with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Sit with legs stretched straight forward, feet flexed, spine upright, hands placed beside the hips for support. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. From the seated position, reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your side. Switch sides. Sit tall, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed outward, hands holding feet gently. Sit with legs opened wide, spine upright, hands resting on the floor in front for gentle support. Extend the right leg forward. Fold gently over it, keeping the spine long. Switch sides. Sit tall and gently twist the torso to one side. hands resting lightly on knees or floor. Repeat on left and right side. Sit cross-legged and draw a big rainbow overhead by lifting both arms in a smooth arc while keeping your spine long and your chest open. Sit with one shin stacked over the other, ankles aligned over knees, spine upright. Kneeling tall with hips over heels, chest lifted, hands resting on thighs. Sit cross-legged comfortably, hands resting on knees, spine tall, calm breathing. Now let's stay seated and take a quiet breathing break. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and gently breathe in through your nose, and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's do this together for 30 seconds, feeling calm and peaceful. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You moved so gently and did a wonderful job today. If you enjoyed this yoga time, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time on Yoga with Jade and Mel. Namaste!